Hello, my name is Tatiana Arroyo, and the persuasive technique that I will be presenting today in this video is simple solution. As we all know, life is complicated. People are naturally complex. Problems often have many causes and they are not easy to solve. These realities create anxiety for many of us, and persuaders offer relief by ignoring complexity and proposing a simple solution. In other words, we live in a time in our lives that technology makes, I think, everything easier for us. I mean, if we are tired on the night and we want to prepare dinner or something quick, what we do? We just grab a chicken or something frozen and we just put it in the air fryer 10-15 minutes and that's it. We have our perfect food to eat in nothing. If we want to clean the house, there are some devices that can make the work for us. Also, the cell phone. If we don't want to text or do whatever in our cell phones, we have to talk to Siri, and Siri make all the things for us. Alexa is another example. So, as individuals, we want the things quicker and easier. So the persuaders can benefit about that situation in our lives that we want all things easier. We all experience different emotions and we all have our own perspective that we bring into everything that we say and do. Our bodies are complex, our beliefs, our values, and the way that we interact with others is just as complicated and provides at least twice as many variables since you know have at least two people interacting. The two examples that I showed for these persuasive techniques is the Quaker instant oatmeal and the Dawn Power Watch. The oatmeal is ready in less than 5 minutes, and that is a benefit for the people that love oatmeal like me. And for the people that we do not like to wash the dishes, this product definitely is a must in our lives. So we can use a spray, wipe, and rinse. So the bottle say it, so that is a perfect way to persuade the people because these are things that are common in our lives. So thank you for listening my definition and example for simple solution. I hope you like it.